Benson right here. Today I want to flip an account for my brother, and the account is currently at 270, just as you can see right there, and I'm up $10, and I'm going to show you the analysis. And I'm trading GBP USD. You can see it's in an uptrend right here. So I actually want this price to pull up above this psychological level, which is 1.2929500, to pull up. So I had an entry right here before this green line, and let me show you what that is. Right now it's trying to melt, but we're not moving, still holding on. So on my phone screen right here, I'm just slide one of them and show you. You see, I have an entry here just after the first green line. It's the exact same thing that I have on my phone that I also have on my laptop, right? So you see, I have a lot of orders stacked there. Two. I may still have some rejections to the downside. Once more rejection comes, it's for me to add more position, right? So this is still in check. So the account was just open. I mistakenly placed a sell instead of a buy. That's why you're seeing this negative 28 cents. And let me show you that we just funded last week, and I decided to wait for this week. So last week I only placed 0.02, and I made 52 cents, which I closed immediately, although it still went up bullish, but I closed it immediately. And this other one is the one I mistakenly placed today. So back to today's trades, so you can see what is happening right there. So I'll keep on adding more order, and I'll be filming as time progresses, right? Currently 2 p.m. that's GMT, and it's Monday, October 5, and this is the screen. So the setup has actually moved. It's moved to the upside, though we had a lot of noise at this point, but what happened, it slashed down a little, formed a double bottom right there. From there it went straight up. So price currently at 1.29783. So, and I'm currently up in a small profit, though I had a rough ride at some point, because while I was trying to I caught some losses because I don't want too much drawdown on the account. So I was down. As a result, I became down $16 dollars. So that's why it was 270 before when I showed it. Currently it's now 253. Now you can see I'm up again in profit. So as it keeps going, I'm going to keep adding more positions, and I'm also going to be closing order so that I can have a safety buffer for all that one. So this is not just the only account that I'm trading. So for you to see, this is a real one. This is a real account. You can see it's a real account, XNES account. And so let me show you the other account that I'm trading. This is on an 100,000 plus account. This is a $120,000 account I'm trading. I still put the same setup. So right now before it was about $6,000 profit, but now the profit has dropped to $4,999. So they're about 5,000, so it's fluctuating. So all of them, they are secured with stop. I already secured all of them with stop loss. So to be moving this stop now, I want to move this stop. I would like to move it stop here. Whoa, what is that? I want to move this stop here, somewhere here to secure. So I'll be moving somewhere around here. 29461. That's where I want to move all of them to. All right. So because the lots are pretty huge, not much difference between this one and the other one. Just that this top losses, the lots here are huge, which is 2.5, 1.5, stuff like that. Yeah, what up guys? It's currently evening here already, so it's been a very long time. And the trade, I told you guys I made mistake and I closed out some profit, some losses, and I was down 16.88. all right, that's all in total. Let me shoot it today. It should be altogether should be 17, yeah, negative 17. So here are the trades I'm currently on. So if we want to check the chart, you see there are a lot of orders there, but all of them, they are protected with stop losses. So you want to check, they all got stops. They all have stop losses, except just that one that I just entered right of recent. If you want to check down, they all have stop losses. So now you can see the analysis, what we already did. Remember, we had double bottom. closing very soon. What's up, guys? It's another brand new day. I just had a sell position, and today is Tuesday 6th. It's currently the next day, and it's just 10 a.m. in the morning, London time. All right. So yesterday I closed out this profit in $303. Today I had a new position sell. I sold this opportunity right here from this point, this top right there. I sold from here downward. So I made about, so this is the total breakdown so far that I made on the account. So it's $34. But let me change this result to today's results. I've made $1.33 so far. Okay, that's on this account. Let me switch it to the other account where I made 7,000 yesterday. Remember, I had the other account that was at 123,000. Then I made, so right here on this one, it's different. Come on, focus. All right, so this is 133. So let me show you the result history from yesterday. Last week total, so I made 10,000 from last week. So let me change it to custom. So change custom. Yesterday is October 5th and today October 6th. So let's get the result. So for yesterday I made 6,006 actually, not 7,000. Sorry, 6,006, and these were the same orders. All right. So what I'm just waiting out for today is I want price to drop down to somewhere around this trend line for me to jump on in, so that it will give me double bottom, so that I can shoot double bottom there for me to go in there. So my stop loss is going to come below this low right here. I'll try as much as possible for the stop loss to come here or here. All right. So I'll really be very patient for price to drop a little more to this side before I hop on, since I am seeing that the structure is still headed to the upside. So this is only 15 minutes on a 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is still showing that it's an uptrend. All right, so we have one bounce, second bounce, this is the third bounce. So we want something to come like this in before I enter, so I can have a very tight buffer there. So this account, we should be able to get it on the smaller account. The one I'm flipping on my XNES account is currently on 300 and is currently on 304. So I should be able to move it to somewhere like let's say 400 or 500 today. So that is the target. But however, I'm very conservative with this account and I'm limiting my risk, right? Whereas the other one, I should be able to move it to 133,000, because the target for me for this month is to move it to 133,000. So once I get to that target, I'm done on that account for this month. All right, and it's just October 6th. All right, so guys, that's the update. So whenever I'm entering any trade or whenever I'm floating in profit on any trade, I'm gonna make a video, or whenever I'm floating in loss. All right, bye. What's up, team members? Currently it's about 12 in the noon time. This is 23 minutes past 12, and we had this slash to the downside. Remember, the first plan was to place my stop loss at this point where the price is currently at, but that has been invalidated, and as a result I'm changing my plan. That's my plan A. Remember, I said I was too long somewhere around here. I'm going to put my stop somewhere here, but that plan has been validated. So first I hop on a buy. So when price moved up to this extent, I jump out because I saw the price reaction. Because that's the reason why I pay close attention to price, how it moves up and down. So I had to just jump out from there before this slash. So here's my account. I moved it to 305 because of that small shift. Okay, so I did not take the buy trades anymore. So this is the buy trade, the last one I picked when I hopped out. I hopped out on that one. Okay, and that was this candle right here. That was this candle that moved up. Okay, so now the next plan is I'm waiting for price for candle to show a double bottom right on top of this trend line or close to it for me to place my trade. Then the stop loss will be somewhere. I want double top right here, max, then move up. So my stop should be somewhere around here. That's the next plan. So if that doesn't work, I'm not trading for today. All right, So that's the plan. Hello friends, the second plan is about to play out. Remember I said I want like a push to the upside, then it further comes down to form a double bottom for me before I can hop on, because I want my stop to be very tight. So it's like somewhere here, depending on how long this second bottom forms. All right, because I just want a very tight one. So if the bottom stops here, I'm going to use this as my stop loss. If it comes further down, let's say somewhere like here, I'm going to use here as my stop. All right, so the same thing also happening on my phone. So still watching. Hello, what's up people? Guess what? The move that we've been expecting just happened and I missed it. I missed it because I'm currently recording a video for the beginner's guide course. Really not happy with this whole thing, but however, I'm still waiting. I just jumped on with 2.5 lots right here on my big account, so I'm waiting for it to come to a better price before I'm gonna enter in on the trade with my smaller account, the account I'm trading for my brother. That's what I call my smaller account. Okay, I believe you are following the story. So let's hold on. You see, it's formed this double bottom that I was expecting for it to form. So if this had not happened today, I probably would have not been trading today. All right, so it's currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's really a very long waiting period. So this game, you really have to be very patient. You have to be disciplined as well. All right, so that is it for now. When I'm adding more position, I'm going to record another video. Hello, what's up guys? It's another brand new day. It's currently Wednesday and it's October 7th. This is the 3rd day of this recording, and yesterday evening I made loss on this small account. So this is the account. Remember, I had an account of 270 which I started out for my brother, and yesterday I made $73 loss. So I was unable to film. That's because I was really busy with other stuff at home. So that's the reason why I failed to film that. And today I added more I had new positions. Let me bring you straight to the computer screen what I was doing. Let me show that right straight to you. Now you can see on the computer screen I had some trades floating from that top where you see the second trend line. Let me zoom right straight in. So I had some trades from here on here. So I jump on a sale at that point. So currently I'm about, let's say like 70 pips, 70 to 80 pips in profit, in that much. And here's my phone screen. So what I've just been doing since. On the other huge account that I had 120,000 the other time, I already made the target. Remember I said the target for that one is 133,100. I made that target and immediately I closed out. So this is where I had entry on GBP USD this morning. So at that top right there, that was where I entered. So I entered with 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. All of them, they've got stops, and you can see where it's currently at. Same thing on my PC, right? So I still believe it's still going to go down. So upon moving up, I'm going to add more positions. So that's the reason why I'm not touching anything, but I'm not closing out on this one. Whereas on the other account, of my account, let me switch to the other account. I already made the target. So I just want to show you that the target has already been met, which is 133,000. As I said at the beginning of this recording. So today I made 8,133. And yesterday I also made some losses. I made some losses yesterday. I just wish I can just show that. So yesterday was 6th of October. And let me stop it at 6. So you can see the losses on this one. So I made 4,000 loss yesterday. So that was close to my max daily loss because I mustn't lose 5% in a day. All right. So I lost $4,411. While today I made twice as much of that. So I closed out because I know I've hit that particular target. So the analysis, what made me to go short? What made me go short was, at first I was actually thinking it's a buy trend. But seeing the price bounced off this level and the way and manner that it dropped really hard, and it retested this point. I should have jumped out here if I was with my phone yesterday, but I never. But price came back to hit my stop loss, and my stop loss was around this area. I never ever moved it to break even. Then I was flushed out right there. So I saw this retracement this morning, which happened. So upon getting here, I short immediately, and that is what you see on my brother's account, which I refer to as my small account. So here is the chart like. So I had a lot of orders stacked there because it's a small account. I had to start with 0.01, 0.01. So as it keeps coming down, I kept adding, securing all of them with a stop loss. And now here we are. And I'm currently floating about $58. So it even went as far as $74 before, which brought us back into the same amount, equity back to the same amount that it was at yesterday. So I'm hoping that I'm able to move it to somewhere like $400, $450, or $500 before this weekend. So I'm just going to be stopping this recording, and I'm going to be uploading it today because I have a lot of other things, tons of stuff that I need to do. And this is just basically much how I trade. So I'm actually making this video. I made this video just to show you guys how my day-to-day trades go. All right. So if you are still battling with consistency, you are battling with how to get your perfect entries or money management, I would just advise one thing: make sure you talk with a psychologist. And the game changer for me with a psychologist, the first experience I had was with FTMO psychologist. Her name is Miss Celeste. It was a really powerful session with her, and I believe one of these days I'll get to discuss what I got from her with you guys. That's based on request. So if you want me to make a video on that, just drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to do that. And remember to like, subscribe, turn on post notification, and share with friends and loved ones if you do like this kind of content that I'm bringing to you. So when it's time, it's going to be time very soon for me to add new position for shorts. The reason I'm going to be adding new position for short on this trade is because 1 hour is all indicating that it's a massive sell trend, just as you can see right there. And 4 hours is also saying it's a massive sell trend. So I have no cause to panic at all. So I'm just going to sell all through. All right, guys, stay positive. And even if it reverses against me, I definitely would cut losses in small profit. So there's no way I'm going to lose this trade. All right. So stay positive at anything you're doing. Any strategy just work. Always make sure you manage risk. No matter what the strategy you're using, focus on managing risk. That is the holy grail in trading. All right. Bye for now, guys, and be cool. Yours truly, Jeffrey Benson, signing out.